So let us learn few more questions related to hexadecimal number system. This is the chapter 2 which we are doing, and this will be the last concluding video of chapter 2. So we have covered till now binary number system, decimal number system, octal number system, and this is going to be the hexadecimal number system. And remember, we have also learned binary. Mainly our main concentration is on binary: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, as well as conversion of binary into other forms. Okay, so let's begin this video with few more questions just to understand the concept of hexadecimal number system. Remember, in octal number system, the main thing which we should understand is that there is a pair of threes, means 3 digits. We are taking the pairs of 3. Okay, this is a binary number, and if I have to convert it into an octal number, so we are always taking pairs of 3, and we do 1 2 4, 1 2 4, and 1. So it will be 1, this will be 1, this will be 4 and 2 6, and this will be 7. So it will change into 1 6 7. Okay, this is just a revision of what we had done before. And 1 6 7, how you will do it? Separately, 2, so it will be as such 1 6, 2 3s are 6, remainder is 0, 2 1s are 2, remainder is 1. So 1 1 0, and 7 will be 2 3s are 6, 1, 2 1s are 2 1. So what is my answer? 1, then 1 1 0, and then 1 1 1. And if you see, it will match. Okay, but in this video we are going to talk about more hexadecimal questions. Hexadecimal, remember, we have to make pairs of 4 digits. Why? Because in octal maximum is 7, but here we take 1 2 4 8, maximum digit is 0 to 15, remember, in an hexadecimal number system, and 8 4 12 2 14 1 15. So that is why we take pair of 4 digits. Okay, so let's see. Let us take an example. Just randomly I am writing something, and let's try to convert it into an hexadecimal number system. Now when you want to convert it into a hexadecimal number system, yaad rakhiyega 4 4 3 1 0 we can add. ठीक है, 1 2 4 8. रिमेंबर, अगर दो खाली दो बच रहे हैं तो 2 0 लगाने पड़ेंगे. 1 2 4 8, 1 2 4 8 all separately, and 1 2 4 8. So this is how much? 5. 4 into 6, sorry, 4 into 6. This is 8 4 12 1 13. This is 13. So 13 is written as, remember, 10 11 12 13, A B C D. So this will be written as D. And then we come to this part, 8 4 12 1 13. So this is also 13, which will make it to D. So it will be written as 6D. I hope this is clear. And if we want to convert it back, so we do 6 separately. 2 3s are 6, remainder is 0. 2 1s are 2, remainder is 1. So this is 1 1 0. एक 0 हमने लगा दिया 4 करने के लिए. D is how much? 13. So 13 को किया, 2 6 are 12. Remember, 9, then 10 11 12 13, A B C D. 2 6 are 12, remainder is 1. 2 3s are 6, remainder is 0. 2 1s are 2, remainder is 1. And we write from bottom to up. 1101, it has 4 digits, we can write it. And the next number is also 13, which will be the same. So 1101. If you can see, 110 110 1110 it matches. I hope it is clear. Let's do another question. Suppose a question is that we say 7AF. 7AF, or let us try to make it a little more complicated. Let's say A7F. This is a hexadecimal number system, and it is said that you convert it into a decimal number system. No problems. You know how to convert it into a binary. And binary is a decimal, 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. So let's try to convert it into binary first. So A is written as 10. So make it 2 5s are 10, remainder is 0. 2 2s are 4, remainder is 1. And 2 1s are 2, remainder is 0. So this is how much? 1 0 1 0. Is that clear? Okay. Then let's talk about 7. अब इसमें थोड़ा ध्यान रखना, जानबूझ के मैंने क्वेश्चन चेंज किया था. 2 3s are 6, remainder is 1. 2 1s are 2, remainder is 1. What is the answer? 1 1 1. But remember, it has to be 4 digits. So this 1 1 1 will not be written as 1 1 1. एक 0 हमें ऐड करना पड़ेगा लेफ्ट में. तो हर एक को अलग अलग देखो आप. इसको मैंने अलग किया, इसको मैंने अलग किया, ठीक है, और यहाँ पे 0 लिखा. अब F, what is F? A, B, C, D, E, F. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15 को सेपरेटली करोगे. वैसे आपको पता है 4 1 आएंगे, लेकिन हम फिर भी कर लेते हैं. 2 3s are 6 1, 2 1s are 2 1. 4 आ रहे हैं तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं. जहां पे 3 आ रहे थे, यहाँ पे 3 आ रहे थे, तो मुझे एक 0 ऐड करना पड़ा. अगर 2 ही आ रहे होते तो मुझे 2 0 ऐड करने पड़ते. इज दैट क्लियर? सो व्हाट इज माय आंसर हियर? It gives me 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 1 and then 1 1 1 1. So we get it into a binary number. Now let us convert it into a decimal number. And how do we do it? 1 2 4 8 16 32 64 128. This is 256. Then 512, then 1024, and then 1024 double karo. What will be the answer? 2048. 2048. So what we have to add here is 2048, 512. This is 512. Is that clear? Then this is 128. 128 is not added. Sorry. This is 64. 64 is to be added. Then 32 is to be added. Then 16 is to be added. Then 8 4 12 13 14 15. So we can add these all. 8 2 10 14 16 6 22 5 27, 7 2 carry, 6 7 13 3 16 17 18 8 1 carry, 5 6 6 12 3 15 2 सॉरी 5 और 1 6 और ये 2 2687. It will be 2687. Is that clear? If you want to just do it again, you can check it again because it looks little, my writing is horrible. I'm sorry for that. Just to recheck it, it was, I'll rub this part also to make it little more clear. This much part is already clear to you. So it is 1 0 1 0 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 437 437 00 101. So it will be 1 2 4 8 16 32 64. तो यहाँ तक हम पहले ही ऐड कर लेते हैं. ये कितना हो गया? 64 6 70 80, 64 6 70 80 90 100 112 120 24 226 127. यहाँ तक आ गया 127. अब 128 256 512. This will be 512 1024, and this will be 2048. So 2048. 8 2 10 17 2 3 4 4 8 6 और 2. Perfect. Okay. So I hope you have understood. Let's take a simple question at the end. Suppose and let us try to convert it into an hexadecimal number system. Remember, we have to take the groups of 4. 1 0 we can add, or you can leave it over there, it doesn't matter. बीच में नहीं छोड़ना. 1 2 4 8 8 4 12 13, and this is 1 2 4. So 4 and 2 6. So this is written as 6, but 13 is how? 13 is not written as 13. 13 is written as 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. A, B, C, D. So this is 6, D. And same way, if you want to do it reverse, 6 can be divided separately. 0, 2 1s are 2, 1. So this will be 1 1 0. And D is 13. 2 5s are 2, 6 are 12. Remainder is 1. 2 3s are 6. Remainder is 0. And 2 1s are 2. Remainder is 1. 1 1 0 1. 1 1 0 1 and 1 1 0. I hope it is clear. So with this we wind up our chapter 2. Now in the next video, see in binary arithmetic में जो सवाल आता है आपके बोर्ड में वो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा 5 नंबर का आएगा, ठीक है. लेकिन अब जो अगला चैप्टर हम पढ़ाने वाले हैं which is called propositional logic, or it is something related to Boolean algebra. Okay, so this Boolean algebra is the new chapter which we'll be taking up, and let me tell you, from Boolean algebra we get out of 70 marks paper, we get at least 30 to 40 marks question based on only this chapter, that is Boolean algebra. So this is what we are going to take up in the next video, which is a very important chapter, and it is going to take time to finish that chapter. Is that clear? A long chapter, but interesting, and we will discuss about it in the next video. Okay, so in the meantime you keep on guessing what it is. Okay, but do not worry, we will make it very simple. But remember that these videos you should not miss, and whatever we are doing it, please see that you keep on writing it in your copies. Okay, so bye. Wish you all the best for the next chapter, and maybe you will understand it very easily, which is a very important chapter which is going to be. Okay, so till then, bye.